If you're experiencing billing problems on Zelle, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. This guide will help you navigate common problems and find solutions. Step 1. Check your transaction history. Review your transaction history in the Zelle app or your bank's app to confirm the details of the transaction in question. Ensure that the amount, recipient, and date are correct. Step 2. Verify recipient information. Make sure that you have the correct email address or phone number for the recipient. Incorrect entry could lead to billing issues, so double-check the information before proceeding. Step 3. Contact your bank. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Report the issue to Zelle. If your bank cannot resolve the issue, contact Zelle's customer support directly. Provide them with all relevant details about the transaction, including dates, amounts, and any communication you've had with your bank. Step 5. Monitor your account. After reporting the issue, keep an eye on your bank account and Zelle app for any updates or changes. It may take some time for the issue to be resolved, so patience is key. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any billing problems you encounter on Zelle. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from financial advisors or consumer protection agencies.